2-bed flat to rent on Marsh Wall, Canary Wharf, London E14. Harrison Property Partners is pleased to present to the market this 2-bed flat. This property is located on Marsh Wall, Canary Wharf. View this property on map. Explore this property neighborhood. This property has easy access to different transport links. Some excellent schools are near this property, making it an ideal purchase for families. Recent sales near this property are shown here with sale prices. This property is marketed by Harrison Property Partners. For further details, please visit Houser website.